If you want to create a clean split-screen video in CapCut, whether you're editing on desktop or using the free version, this tutorial will walk you through it step by step. Split-screen edits are perfect for reaction videos, comparisons, before and after clips, tutorials, interviews, and any style of content where you want two videos visible at the same time. And the best part is, once you understand the basic process, you can reuse it again and again in future edits. Before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel, and it makes sure you don't miss the next editing tip. Alright, let's get into it. First, open CapCut and start a new project. Once your editor is open, drag your first video onto the main track of the timeline. This first clip will become the base layer of your split screen. Think of it as the foundation for your edit. Now drag your second video and drop it directly above the first video so it appears as an overlay on the timeline. This is important because split screen editing in CapCut works by stacking the clips on top of each other. The top clip will be masked, while the bottom clip will show through the remaining space. Next, trim both clips so they have the exact same duration. This step matters more than people realize. If one video is longer than the other, your split screen can go out of sync or end unexpectedly. So line them up carefully, trim the excess from each side, and make sure both clips start and end together as closely as possible. If needed, play back the timeline and fine-tune the cut points until they match. Once your clips are aligned, select the top video clip. This is the clip that will get the mask applied to it. On the right-hand panel, switch from the Basic tab to the Mask tab. In CapCut, the mask controls let you hide part of the top layer so the bottom layer can show through. From the mask options, click on Split or Horizontal, depending on the version of CapCut you're using. As soon as you choose it, you'll see a dividing line appear across your preview screen. This line is what separates the two videos and creates the split screen effect. Now it's time to rotate and fine-tune the split. Look at the preview player and find the rotate or loop symbol on the mask line. Click and drag that control to set the angle of the split. This is useful if you want a diagonal look instead of a straight vertical or horizontal divide. For a standard split screen, keep it straight. For a more creative style, tilt it slightly until it looks right. After that, reposition the videos by clicking and sliding the dividing line left or right until your split is centered the way you want it. If one side looks too cramped or too wide, just adjust the mask line until both videos are balanced. The goal is to make the composition feel intentional and easy to watch. If you want a softer transition, you can also use feathering. Feathering blurs the edge of the mask, so the line between the two videos doesn't look too sharp. To do this, drag the small white arrow next to the mask line outward slightly. A little feathering can make the edit look smoother and more polished, but don't overdo it unless you want a very soft blend. At this point, your split-screen video should be working properly. You can scrub through the timeline, preview the movement, and make any final adjustments to the crop, mask angle, or positioning. If either video looks off-center, just go back and tweak it until everything lines up neatly. And that's it. You've successfully created a split-screen video in CapCut. This is one of the easiest ways to make your edits look more dynamic and professional, even if you're using CapCut Desktop free. Once you learn this method, you can apply it to reaction content, gaming clips, comparison videos, or any creative project that needs two videos on screen at once. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the next CapCut guide for more editing tips that save you time and make your videos look better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.